All right, the next one is Reels on Facebook and Instagram. And one good thing to know is that to be able to post Reels on Facebook and Instagram, it's very simple. All you need is Meta Business Suite to be able to do it on both channels. As you can see, I'm logged into Meta Business Suite here. And it's simply the same process where you go, you upload. Under Create, it uploads your video. You're able to edit it. By editing it here, you can add audio. You could crop the video. You can add text. As you can see, all types of text here. You could adjust the font size when you add text to the video. You can enhance, automatically remove background and noise, and equalize the audio by just simply doing that and being able to adjust it. You see all these key features. So all of them, all these channels have all their different features that just make them unique. They're all similar and they keep catching up to each other. That's the good thing to know, is they keep catching up to each other. So if you're likely to see something on TikTok, a feature on TikTok that's really, really cool, you're probably going to see it on Instagram and Facebook as well. But as you can see here, when we are creating our reel, I'm going to go back here. I can choose both platforms. I could choose BizCrown Media on Facebook. I could choose BizCrown Media on Instagram. I don't have to upload it just on one platform. So I go in, add my video, describe my reel. I get to choose the frame, very similar to what we saw on TikTok. The ability to choose your frame. So these are suggested ones. I could actually choose the frame, which it'll let me pick which frame I want. Let's see here, choose the frame. It'll let me scroll through here and pick the frame that I want, or I can actually upload an image. And that's pretty much your thumbnail again. That's your thumbnail. And then again, I could add a collaborator here. You know, pretty cool. And then you can make your edits. As I said, your crop, your text, your enhance, and then you could share. And the good thing is, if you are enabled to make money on Facebook, you can earn from stars from your Facebook Reels. And I think on Instagram, also, you could get your gifts on Instagram. So you can see all you have to do is hit the toggles, and you are good to go. You can also, similar to TikTok that I just showed you, if you want the public to see it, if you want it restricted, you have all these features available for you to use. Now you could save it as a draft if you're not ready to post, or you could schedule it into the future on both channels. See what I mean? So it's very cool, very simple, but again, some key features in there that make it really, really cool. Your optimization strategies and the content types that you can put on both channels make it really, really cool. And again, short form content in many instances 9:18 or 9:16, sorry, which is the vertical format. But I have seen shorts on places like Facebook that are landscape, but a lot of people are just used to the vertical format.